Access to spotting a moose is relatively high, especially during hunting season when they seem to come close and walk over our property. We have been told it lessens the chance of them being shot by hunters. Especially young moose are known to wander close to our property, and we have been told stories by the locals about moose and deer entering their village. And even a bear has been seen running behind someone on their bike. Finding that glass from a smashed window on that fateful, warm, bright afternoon ended my naivety. In high spirits after unlocking the gates at the end of our drive, we